guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my daily cleaning routine for you guys. So in a lot of my cleaning videos, I get asked a lot of questions about what I do daily and what I do weekly. So I will have a weekly cleaning routine, like what I do each day, each week, if that makes any sense. So like Mondays I do the beds, Tuesdays I do the bathrooms, Wednesday I clean the kitchen, like, you know, like kind of how I go about it. So, but today is the things that I do every single day to make sure my home is clean, it's tidy, and usually organized. You know, it's real life. So like, I don't try to make it, you know, when I organize things, I make it so it's functional. It's not always like picture perfect. I like it to be that way because I just obviously like the look of it, but we are a family of 5. So if I do some crazy Pinterest perfect pantry organization, which you guys just saw that video, it's not gonna work. So it's very realistic. I kind of do trial and error. Some things work, some things don't, and then I'm always changing it. I'm always make changes to make it work. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you are subscribed, and let's get cleaning.
It's the time, it's the season for you to come home to me, come back home to me. No pressure, there's no reason other than I want to see just what you do to me. Bring a smile, bring me out of myself, bring me to the edge till I hold my breath and sing. It's the time, it's the season for you to run right through me. I love how you move me around, around, around. Move me around, around, around. Everyone can see how I feel about you. Everyone can hear when you're near. I can never stay cool. When you come around, it's so clear I'm the color of you. Everyone can see how I feel about you. It's so easy for you to come home to me, come back home to me. People change, get so needy, but I know how to wait, so let them go crazy. Make me smile and I'll give you my best. I'll take my time and I'll push my fears away till the time, till the season when you come back to me. I love how you move me around, around, around. Move me around, around.
So after I fold the laundry and empty the dishwasher, I am just going to wipe down all the counters in the kitchen and the stovetop and just kind of neaten up a little bit. And then I am going to get started in the bathrooms. I do not deep clean these every day, but it's just kind of a spot clean. In my kids' bathroom, always looks like they just dumped toothpaste out and just spit it all over the walls in the mirror. I am getting them to now like clean up the sink and stuff like that, but sometimes when they're rushing in the mornings they forget, and so either they clean it every day or I clean it. I just have them clean it out with their hand and the water, so I still always go over it with a Lysol wipe or some sort of cleaner, but it definitely needs to get wiped down every single day.
Everyone can see my world. Don't worry, darling, I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes open up every morning.
So now that the bathrooms are wiped down, now any areas in my home that I need to tidy. This little table in our kitchen always seems to be a catch-all, so I am just clearing everything off of that and doing any sort of, like, usually mail collects here, packages, anything like that. So I have my diffuser going, and now my table is cleared off, and I can now start on my kids' rooms. So like I said, they generally clean their own rooms, but my daughter was at school and my son was doing his remote learning, so they make their beds, but I also go in and tidy behind them and undo all of the clothes that my children always seem to have inside out. So I'm just going to go through and tidy her room. I also did my son's room, but like I said, he was doing remote learning in his room, so I didn't show me going in there because I just kind of tidied up while he was doing his schoolwork.
It didn't make much sense, but you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you I cherish all your lies. And after all this time, feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing on all this waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting.
All right, and that is it for this video. So for my daily cleaning routine, I always do laundry, at least one load a day. I do like a daily chore. So on this day, I didn't have any because I had just done a whole all day like cleaning video literally the day before. So, but next week I will have what I do every day. So like a weekly cleaning routine. So like I do certain things, like I said earlier, on Mondays and on Tuesdays. So usually I would do one of those every day. But I do laundry, I wipe down the bathrooms, I wipe down all the counters. Obviously we cook 3 meals a day, so I'm constantly wiping down counters. We run the dishwasher every single night. So I empty the dishwasher in the morning. I obviously just pick up. That is like my biggest thing. I make sure I tidy as I go. So that way, because I don't know about you guys, but like if you look behind me right now, my son just got home from school and was showing me all his papers, his lunchbox, right there. This was within a matter of 5 minutes. If I don't go pick that up now, there's gonna be another one of those little things somewhere else in their rooms and this and that. And another tip, make your kids help. Like my kids have to clean their own rooms. They are 5 and 6 and they have to clean their own rooms. My stepson's here half the time, so like when he's here, I have him empty the dishwasher. He does a lot of yard work. He does stuff like that. He doesn't have set chores like the little ones who are here all the time. So, but they have to dust and vacuum their rooms. After dinner, my daughter's job is to clear the table. So she's 5 years old. They each clear their own plates. She clears like the placemats. She clears the napkins. We use cloth napkins, so she puts those in the dirty laundry. My son will go and get the vacuum and vacuum the floors under where we ate. That is like their job every night. So if you have your kids help you, they're doing that, and like they'll wipe down the table and do that while I'm putting the dishes in the dishwasher. So it saves time and teaches your kids to be responsible, and they're a part of the family and they need help too. So I digress. I could do a whole video on kids and chores, and I think that, you know, what they should be doing. My kids have literally always been doing stuff, not, you know, since they've been able to. They're little babies, but they've always picked up after themselves and things like that. But let me know if you want a video on that. I didn't even think I was gonna go into this tangent about children and chores and all that, but here we are. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and hit that little notification bell so you can be alerted when I upload videos. And thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.